Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to walk you through how to handle price shoppers using some really effective reverse psychology techniques. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, and we specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us one-on-one or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. So let's dive right into the training, how to easily handle price shoppers in your carpet cleaning business using reverse psychology. One of the big things that I see in the Facebook groups that people are posting and stuff like that is the screenshots of conversations that they're having and the back and forth between their customers. They're trying to get lower prices, they're trying to price shop and all of this. And I see the frustration that it causes for a lot of carpet cleaning business owners, the conversations that go on and stuff like that, and it seems to be one of the biggest things that people post about in these Facebook groups for carpet cleaners. So I thought I'd do this video just to kind of give you a few hints, tips and different approaches that you can use to really try and combat those price shoppers using a bit of reverse psychology. One of the things that I see that's kind of missing a lot from a lot of the carpet cleaning business owners, it's all about that sales, do you know what I mean? It's all about that technique. It's all about how you approach the customer and how you position yourself in the messaging and things like that. And I think that with a few tweaks and stuff to your messaging, you can really handle those price shoppers, keep them as customers, get them to pay you the amount that you want, and certainly overcome a lot of those objections. Like I say, it's really just about the messaging and how you approach it and the angle that you take. So I just want to run through with you in this video some of the different sort of ideas that I can give you guys that's really going to help you with all of that stuff and help you to deal with price shoppers. So let's dive sort of right in. First of all, let's go over the typical conversation that happens when you get a price shopper on the end of the line. It normally goes a little bit like this. Hi, I was wondering how much X is, how much is 4 rooms, a hallway and a stairs, how much would that cost? Carpet cleaner normally responds, especially if it's in Messenger through an ad or something like that, it's, hi, that's going to be $275. Pretty direct, straight to the point, gives them the price. Cool. Price shopper responds, that's a bit much. I've seen other carpet cleaners do it for much less. Then they ask, hey, can you do it for 170? Don't forget, the carpet cleaner's just given the price $275. They're trying to get a $105 discount here. Can you do it for 170? And then the carpet cleaner normally says, sorry, these are my prices, take it or leave it, or they get offended or whatever. And then that's normally the end of the conversation. That person, that customer, that prospect ends up not being a customer. The carpet cleaner moves on. And then normally they screenshot all of this and they drop it in the Facebook group, and a ton of people comment on it and laugh about it and all the rest of it. So let me show you in this video a slightly different approach and how you can use reverse psychology to actually get that person either A, to pay what you want, or B, how you can use reverse psychology to do the job at the price that they want without actually losing any money. Pretty cool, right? So let's dive right in on this bit. So typical conversation with a price shopper. This is using the techniques that I'm going to teach you now. So let's crack on. Price shopper. Hi, I was wondering how much 4 rooms, a hallway and a stairs would cost. Conversation with the carpet cleaner. With our special ending next week, so we've added in a bit of scarcity, we can do the 4 rooms, hallway and stairs, deep cleaning, stain examination and removal, plus odor treatment in any one room and a free bottle of spotting kit for just $275. I can do Tuesday at 11 a.m. to 1 p.m, Thursday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m, or Friday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Let me know which day and time works best and I'll get you booked in. So let's actually pull this apart now. Look at what I did here. We made them feel like they're getting a special price, right? This is a special deal. Straight away, you're playing with people, the psychology there, and we've also added in some scarcity. So they're getting that fear of missing out as well. That alone is enough for somebody to think, oh, I'm going to miss out on this if I don't take this up today. It's a special. So we've created that element of an exclusive deal, of something that's going to be ending soon. Like I say, so they get that fear of missing out. Then we said we can do the 4 rooms, hallways and stairs. And then what I've done here, I start to add in some of the basic elements that all of you carpet cleaners do. When you clean a carpet, right, you obviously do the deep cleaning, you do obviously stain examination. You're going to look at the carpet and see where the stains are and attempt to remove them, right? We've done what we call in the marketing world as a value stack. We stacked the value. We've actually broke down the service and listed out all the things that they're going to get. And you could add more things to that. I've just put that in as an example. We can do the 4 rooms, the hallway, the stairs, the deep clean, the stain examination and removal. And then I've actually thrown in a couple of deal sweeteners. And I talk about this in my other videos. Go and check them out if you haven't already. I'm going to also throw in an odor treatment in any one room. Most of you guys buy the odor treatment by the gallon. You mix it with water. You can easily do a room for free. And plus, you're going to get a free bottle of spotting kit to take away with you as well. And again, I know that a lot of you guys do that. It's a pretty standard thing that a lot of carpet cleaners do. They give their customers a bottle of spotting kit and it's got like your phone number on it and stuff like that. So again, you're throwing that in. So we're stacking the value. We're throwing in a couple of deal sweeteners. And again, we're starting to use psychology. And I haven't said for 275. I said for only 275. We're going to get all this stuff and it's only going to cost you 275. This is all about psychology, guys. And these words, these play on words, they're the difference between you booking the job and not. And now we've moved on, and I talk about this in other videos. I'm not asking, would you like to book or is that price okay? I'm assuming the sale. I'm not saying when would you like to. I'm saying these are the days that I can do Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, these times. Let me know what day works best for you and I'll get you booked in. Like assume the sale. When you add in all of these things together, the psychology, the effect that this has on the customer, I guarantee you, this person will go from being a price shopper to actually like, wow, this is a great deal. It's ending next week. I'm getting all of this stuff plus this extra stuff. It only costs this much. And these are the slots that he's got available. When would you like to do it? Let's go, right? You will close more deals and you'll have less problems with price shoppers. But let's take this a step further and let's look at what happens if this person still tries to contest the price. If this person still tries to price shop you, let's see what happens then. That's a bit much. I've seen other carpet cleaners do it for much less. Can you do it for $170? Now, if that happens, if this doesn't work, and this really should, but if it doesn't, and it might not, there are some real tough cookies out there, right? When it comes to price shoppers, here's what I'd reply. With our current special, I can do the following for $170. We can do the 2 rooms, hallway and stairs, plus the deep cleaning, stain examination and removal, plus the odor treatment in any one room, and a free bottle of spotting kit. And like I said, I can do it on these days. Let me know which time and day works best for you and I'll get you booked in. So in this scenario, all we've done is we've removed the elements from the deal, from the price, to bring the price down to $170. Instead of saying that's my price and that's it, that's all I can do, see you later if you're not interested. Instead of just doing that and being like standoffish and losing the customer, tell them what you can do for $170. I can't do all of that stuff for $170, but I can do all of this for $170 if you want. I can do, instead of 4 rooms, I can do the 2 rooms and we'll still throw in the free room odor treatment. You stack the value, you're going to get all of this stuff as well. And that's a special price and it's ending soon. We could do all of that for just $170. This is what we can do for you. So we're not losing the customer. We're not saying, hey, no, we can't do it. See you later. I'm not interested. Go away. I value my business. Like this is how much it costs. Instead of doing that, let's just use some reverse psychology here and instead say for $170, this is what we can do. When would you like to schedule? And you know what? They might think, oh, that's actually a pretty good deal actually for $170. I'll just do the 2 rooms instead. I'm still going to get the stairs done and the hallway or whatever it is that you can do for that $170. I'm going to get all of this stuff. Cool. It's a current special. You've still got that fear of missing out. So they might think, yeah, actually, this is all the stuff that you can do for the $170. They might go for that, right? They might think, oh, actually, yeah, I'll go for that then. That's what I can get done for $170. And so you're still going to get the customer. You're not like reducing your prices. You're just doing what you would charge. You're doing the amount of work to the value of $170 based on what you charge. And that's it. And guess what? If you're really, really good at upselling, you might be able to upsell the other 2 rooms while you're here. And again, if you've got that right mindset, you might get to that house, you might get to that job and be like, hey, look, I'm here to do the 2 rooms. This is what I'm going to do for the $170. Since I'm here, if you want, I can do the other 2 rooms. rooms for an extra X dollars. Normally it would be an extra $100, but I can do it for $80 since I'm in the house. So you've charged $20 less maybe, but look man, you're already in this house doing the $170 job anyway. Think about it in the mindset of you haven't lost $20, you just made an extra $80 in a property that you were already in, already cleaning anyway, just to do an extra couple of rooms. So now you've matched their price point that they originally wanted by lowering the amount that you'll do to match that price point. So you haven't lost any money. Then you've gone there and you've upsold them and you've got them back up to the price that you originally wanted and the amount of service that they originally wanted in the first place anyway. Happy days. So instead of, sorry, these are my prices, take it or leave it, being all defensive, instead of just when somebody asks for a price, just giving them the price like that as a simple one-line message, start to use some sales tactics, some sales techniques when you're messaging these people or when you're talking to them on the phone or emailing them or whatever. Create that exclusiveness, create that fear of missing out. You know, this is a special, it's ending soon. Stack the value, throw in a couple of sweeteners that are super low overhead for you that's going to make it sound even better, the deal. Assume the sale. Don't just ask them when would they like to book, ask them when would they like to book. Assume that they're scheduling in. And if that doesn't get them off the fence and they still want to lower the price, instead of being standoffish and defensive and saying, sorry, that's it, that's what I charge, tell them what you can do for $170 instead. You know, look, I don't normally do this, but for $170, I can't do all of that stuff, but I can do this instead. You're going to get all of this stuff and I'm going to be putting my prices up next week. I can do these days. When can I get you booked in? Use reverse psychology, use some sales techniques and tactics, and you might actually start converting some of these price shoppers into actual jobs. And then, like I say, once you're in the house, once you're in the home, you can then upsell them, right? Do you know what I mean? And then maybe get them back up to the original price point anyway. And then, as per, again, check out the other videos on this. Once you've got that person's details, they become owned media. You can then market to them for free, forever. So imagine it's $270. They don't want to pay $270. They want to pay $170. So you tell them what you can do for $170. They decide to move forward on that. You show up, right? They meet you personally. You go the extra mile for them. You upsell them maybe a room or two while you're in the job. You end up making a bit more money. You give them an amazing service. And then basically, you know, they really enjoyed using you and stuff like that. And then 3 months later, you send them a text blast. Check out the other video on doing text blasts. And they schedule with you again. And this time, they're not messing about on the price. Do you know what I mean? Because they had that service with you. They loved it. It was great. They've now become a trusted customer. And now you've got yourself a new customer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, look in the description and you'll find a link to schedule a call with us. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.